it. Okay, so very good evening to you, Mr. Raymond. My name is Robin from Singapore. Okay, so today we will talk about what is RAN, what is Rate Arbitrage Nexus, what is our platform doing. So basically, we are using AI technology to actually go and do funding rate arbitrage, okay, to earn profit for all our investors. Okay, so a simple introduction to our company. Our parent company is Nexera Technology, based in Colorado, USA. Okay, and our run platform is in KL, Malaysia. Our HQ is in KL, Malaysia. Okay, so basically, what our platform do is we manage all the investors' assets, and after that, we allocate their funds into different exchanges to do funding rate arbitrage, and after that, we will earn the profit for them. Okay, so basically, this is our cost system. Okay, we use arbitrage strategy, automated execution system. Okay, we also do risk management and also quantitative infrastructure provision. Okay, so the main team behind our platform is these three guys. Okay, so this is our CMO, Mr. Sean Joyaberry. Okay, he can speak many languages. Okay, he's from Kazakhstan. He can speak English, Korean, Chinese, even also Spanish. Okay, so the center guy is Mr. Ali Simsek. Okay, he's our CTO. He's from Turkey. Okay, so basically he do all the technology stuff. Okay, like upgrading our system and also monitoring our system. Okay, the last guy, Mr. Don Wilson, he is the strategic advisor. Okay, so this guy, Mr. Don Wilson, he himself, he has also a company called DRW Trading. Okay, so DRW Trading, we can see it was founded in 1992. Okay, so one of the world's top quantitative and derivative trading firm. They do a lot of different kind of trading. Okay, so you can go to Google, search DRW Trading, check their ETFs. Okay, last year they traded, okay, in 2025 they traded 1.9 trillion US dollars. Okay, that is a very, very big amount. So with the help of Mr. Don Wilson coming on board to be our strategic advisor, our platform is very, very good. Okay, and Cashframe Capital is a VC company. Okay, so Cashframe Capital, the headquarters is Istanbul. Okay, founded in 2021, and they mostly invest in all those companies, platforms that are doing Web3, DeFi, all those in crypto. Okay, and mostly related to technology. So they already invested 30 or over platforms and companies, and 20 of them is already listed in the top 200 in CMC Coin Market Cap ranking, and some of them even listed on major exchanges. Okay, so this year alone, we have already received, okay, 40 million funding, okay, from different institutions, different big companies. So this year, 2026, we open our platform to all normal investors. A lot of investors ask me, a lot of people ask me, Robin, why company already have 40 million USD funding? Why do they still want all these investors? Okay, the reason is very simple. Because when you work with companies, okay, when you partner with companies, they invest in you, they want a very high profit sharing. Okay, so if we, for example, Cashframe Capital, if they want a 50% sharing, company is not earning that much. However, if we find loose investors like all the people around the world now, okay, maximum we pay them 1% daily. Maximum we pay them 30% a month. So imagine the profit earned by our funding rate arbitrage per month can hit up to about 200%. So if we give away 30%, we still earn 170%. So that's a lot for company compared to 50-50 or 60-40 split with major companies. Okay, so this year, 2026, our main aim, okay, we will use funding rate arbitrage to attract all the investors around the world. Okay, currently already 17 countries have joined our platform and invested. Okay, obviously when we want people to invest with us, all these global investors, we need our license. So we have 3 licenses, our SEC FinCEN license, and MSB license, and certificate of incorporation. All these have already sent to the Telegram group chat. You can go and just check online. Okay, so next, let's understand what is the true mechanism. Okay, what is funding rate arbitrage? Okay, so funding rate, where does it come from? Funding rate is always coming from our futures. When we play futures in cryptocurrency industry, on any exchange, as long as you play futures, you trade futures, there will be a thing called funding rate. Okay, so there are two kinds of funding rate. One is called positive funding rate. One is called negative funding rate. Okay, so positive funding rate means what? Today in the Binance, for example, how is it positive funding rate? Many people is looking at Bitcoin. They predict that the price will go up. So they will open futures long position. Okay, about 80% of them. And 20% will feel that, oh, maybe Bitcoin will drop. So they open short. So the 80% who play long, they have to pay this funding rate to short. Okay, this is when the people think the market is bullish. So the long have to pay short in the futures. When it's negative funding rate, it means the short have to pay the long. Okay, what does it mean? Means today, many people is looking at the token price dropping, so they will open futures position at short. So maybe 80% open at short, 20% only open at long. So the majority always have to pay the minority. So be it how many people play long or many people play short, they have to pay the opposition. Okay, so funding rate comes from our futures. It's not come from the exchanges. Exchanges doesn't pay anything for this funding rate. The funding rate comes from all the people, all the users who are playing futures. Okay. So next, how do we do a normal funding rate? Okay, arbitrage. Normal funding rate, you will buy a Bitcoin. Okay, at spot. So when you buy at spot means what? You are looking at the price going up. Okay, so you buy at spot. However, to prevent any loss happening, you will go and do a short in the futures. Okay, so spot long, future short. So wherever the price go up or down, our spot and the futures, the P&L will offset. So total, we do not gain any money. We also do not lose any money. However, we will wait for the funding rate. Okay, when funding is positive, the long pay the shorts. Okay, we get our arbitrage funding rate every 8 hours. Okay, this is for normal users. However, this is a very slow process because like one day maximum you can get 3 times. Okay, and you need quite a big amount. Okay, because to play futures you need your leverage and stuff. So it's quite a big amount. Okay, so for our company, what we do is very different. We use funding rate differences across all exchanges. Okay, what do I mean? Because in different exchanges, the funding rate is different. The amount of users is different. The amount of users playing long and playing short is different. So the funding rate will always be different in all exchanges. So what do our bot do? Okay, our AI bot will go to, for example, exchange A, we call it Binance. We go there to play short. Okay, today, down there, it pays us the higher subsidy. Okay, so we get the higher subsidy, and in order to prevent any loss, we go to exchange B to do long. Okay, so one long, one short, we do not have any profit and we do not have any loss. Okay, however, when I do long, I will find the exchange that I need to pay the lowest funding rate. So, for example, okay, in Binance, I get 0.1% subsidy. In OKX, when I play long, I pay 0.02%. So this is the profit margin. So this is a 100% win situation. There will not be a loss. It's only high funding rate or low funding rate. Okay, high profit or lower profit. However, it will always be a win for us. So we will always have profit. Okay. So very simple. Who is always the referee for funding rate? The spot. Okay, spot price is always the referee. Why does this funding rate happen? Because, okay, the exchange want 50% and 50%. 50% people to play long, 50% people to play short. So the price of the future will be very close to the price of spot. Okay, so if today there is a lot of people playing long, in order to attract the people who playing short, okay, the long must pay the short. So whoever plays short will get some subsidy. So this will attract more people to come in. So this will balance up the number of people playing long and short. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, so this is our existing tool. Okay, coin glass, we can go and see. Okay, let me show you the app. Okay, coin glass. So we can see on the screen, okay, the funding rate is positive, okay, on Bitcoin. Okay, wait. So on Bitcoin, we can see Binance now is 0.06%. Okay. However, in OKX, you can see it's negative 0.0058%. Why? So in Binance means many people are playing long. However, in OKX, it's the opposite. Many people are playing short. Okay. And we can see in Bybit is 0.075. So across all different exchange, okay, you will see all the, sorry, wait. You will see all the different funding rate. Okay, so this funding rate is different across all exchanges. So our bot will use all these different funding rate to go and do the arbitrage. Okay, so you can see Bybit, Coin. Okay, everything maxi all is different rate. Okay, so for example, now we click on arbitrage here, arbitrage. Okay, we will see. Okay, now this app will tell us. Okay, you go to Bybit to do long. Okay, on which token? ONT token. Okay, you go and do Binance to do short. In Bybit, we will receive a subsidy of 4.09%. In Binance, we will pay a fee of 2.3%. So in between this difference is about 1.72%. Okay, so with a amount of 10,000 in the exchange, so in two exchanges is total 20,000. Okay, you will earn 172 profit. Okay, then you have to pay the fee. Okay, however, you need big fund. Okay, you need more and more big funds to actually get all this funding rate. So this is how we do arbitrage. Okay, so but also you can go and see this. A lot of people say, okay, I want to do it manually. I want to go and do this funding rate on my own. You can go and try. However, I would say the chances of getting all this profit is very slim. Why? Because the funding rate changes every 2 to 3 seconds, or sometimes even 1 second. Okay, so once you want to do this, you have to use this CoinGlass app, and you need to do the futures one long one short in two exchanges, and you must put the order both at the same time. Okay, so as we speak just now, you see it was 4.09, now it's minus 3.9%. So it's very, very fast changing. So different exchange have their own lag time also. So if you want to manual go and do this funding rate arbitrage, you can try, but the success rate is very, very low. Okay, so going back to here. Okay, well, okay, so let's move on. After understanding what is funding rate, okay, let's understand how to invest with company. So when we invest with company, minimum of 100 USDT. Okay, you can choose your own package. There is flexible, 15 days, 30 days, 90 days, 180 days. So for flexible, the percentage will be lower. So it's around 0.3 to 0.4%. 15 days is about 0.5 to 0.6%. Okay, 30 days is about 0.6 to 0.7. 90 days is 0.7 to 0.8. 180 days is about 0.8 to 1%. Okay, so maximum is 30%. Minimum is about 9.3%. Okay, if we base on 0.3%. So this is all the different package you can choose. Okay, flexible, 15 days, 30 days, 90 days, 180 days. Whenever you fund in, okay, we do not charge you a fee. Okay, even every day, okay, when there is profit, okay, every day you can withdraw your profit. There is also no fee. We do not charge you any processing fee. Okay, the only fee we will charge you is 3% upon redemption of your capital. So if you put flexible means what? Anytime you withdraw, you can withdraw your capital. Okay, so for example, after 1 day you want to withdraw your capital, yes you can. However, you need to pay the 3% fee. It will be deducted from your capital. For 15 days, after 15 days contract, after the 15 days period has reached, you want to reinvest, you also need to withdraw your capital out, then you reinvest. So we will always charge you a 3% whenever you withdraw your capital. Okay, so please be clear about this. Okay, next let's talk about any other bonuses, incentive. Okay, so for us now, if I refer someone, okay, when I don't hit any rank, okay, what do I get? I only will get my referrals whatever he stick, when he profit, okay, when he has a profit, his ROI, how much he get, I will get 10%. Okay, this is my direct referral. If level 2, level 3, level 4, all this, it doesn't relate to me. Only my direct referral, I will get 10% of his ROI. Okay, matching ROI. Okay, so when we hit a level, okay, there is total six levels, six rankings, okay, associate, AM, SM, director, ED, CMO. Okay, how to hit the first ranking? What's the requirement? Your team size total of 10 people. Okay, at least 2 teams. Why? Because this is the small team volume of 20,000 USD on your small team volume. Okay, small team volume doesn't mean one team. They will minus away your big team. For example, your big team is 5,100. Today we minus away 5,100. The remaining, maybe you have 4 teams. All of them is 5,000. Okay, all of them, the sales add up total 5,000. 4 times 5,000, also 20,000. It doesn't have to be one team. It can be 4 teams, 5 teams, all combined together. As long as your small team total sales combined is 20,000, and you have a team size of 10 people under you in your community, you hit the first ranking. You will get 6% of your total community ROI. Okay, so whatever ROI your whole team get, you will get 6%. Okay, and your direct referral, you will get 20%. Okay, 20% of his ROI. Direct referral only is 20%. For infinity level, matching ROI is 6%. Okay, for level 2, AM is the same. 50 people in your team size, your small team volume, 80,000 USDT. Okay, as long as you hit these 2 requirements, okay, you will get 14% matching ROI of your whole community, and also 20% of your direct referral ROI, matching ROI. So team is 14%, matching ROI of direct referral is 20%. So please be clear about this. Okay, third level, third ranking, a bit different. Okay, so whole team must have 200 people, 300,000 small league, okay, small team volume sales, 300,000. Then you will get 24% of your matching ROI of the whole community, infinity level. Okay, you will also really receive a monthly salary of 3,000. This salary will be given out on the 7th of every month. Okay, you must hit this requirement. You level 3, you get 3,000 USDT. Okay, so this one, sorry, this one, the PPT is wrong. This is 5% of total earnings of your direct referral. So your direct referral earn how much? The whole team sales how much? You will get 5%. Okay, so first level, second level is actually matching ROI of direct referral only. Third level is whatever bonuses your direct referral get, you will get 5%. This is 5%, not 10%. Okay, 5% followed by level 4, 10%, 15%, 20%. Okay, so this one, please be clear also. Okay, so as we go up, the salary also increase. However, one thing we must take note, when, for example, today is maybe it's the 6th of April, tomorrow will be the 7th of April, then your salary is coming out tomorrow. However, today in your team, one of them, their investment have already reached the 15-day or 30-day period. Okay, when they withdraw and they do not restake, they do not reinvest, okay, your team number, your team size will drop to 199. This will cause your ranking to drop also, because this requirement you do not meet. So please ensure that your requirements must be maintained, okay, in order to receive this salary every month. Okay, so your ranking will drop if any side of the requirement is not met. So please be very, very clear about this. Okay. Okay, so this is the end of our presentation. Okay, very simple to actually duplicate to your team members, your friends. Okay, so now let's go to the back end. Give me a while. I will open my TP wallet and show you guys the back end. Give me 1 minute.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so use my phone TP wallet. Let's go to the very beginning. Okay, so just go to the back end. You have link, you all just register and send your link to your members. They can just register. However, please take note, if you want your downline to buy the address to your wallet, sorry, not buy the address. If you want your downline to register, okay, and link the account to you, you as the upline, you must invest first, okay? Invest 100. Once the account has 100, then we can buy the next downline account. If your account doesn't have not money, they cannot register and buy. Okay, so please take note. Okay, so now look at the screen. Okay, start arbitrage. Very simple. Can go in and see. Okay, there is flexible 15 days, 30 days, 90 days, 180 days. Okay, down here they will just tell you what is the monthly rate. Okay, monthly returns. So 15 days is about 18%. So it's 0.6 per day. This is 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. Okay, and we must take note. Okay, flexible. Okay, minimum is 100 USDT. Maximum I can only invest 2,000 per account, per wallet. Because why? We do not want many people to do big amounts and after that just stick for a few days. After that, they do not do long term with company. So we don't give them big amount. Maximum 2,000 per account. Okay, and we have a cap limit of the whole total package. Okay, so the whole world, if inside this package hit 500,000, okay, then no one can stick in the flexible anymore. Okay, they need to wait for people to withdraw from the flexible, then you can go and stick again. Okay, so for 15 days, okay, minimum $100, maximum 5,000 USDT. Okay, you can see the whole 1 million now is already 844,000, so almost going to be done. Then 30 days is total minimum. So for 30 days minimum is 500 USDT. So you want to stick 30 days, you must have at least 500 USDT. Maximum is 10,000. Okay. Whole maximum is 2 million. Okay. For 90 days, minimum is 1,000 USDT. Okay. Maximum here 50,000. Okay. Whole 10 million. And for 180 days, okay, also 1,000, maximum 100,000, okay, and total is 50 million. So we can count actually now is this one 180 days, there is 4.3 million funds inside, okay. For 90 days is 3.6, 3.6 plus 4.3 is 7.9, 7.9 plus 1.5 million is 9.4, 9.4. Now it's 10.2 million, about 10.5 million already. Okay, so 10.4 million already. So a total of only less than 2 weeks, we have already gotten 10.4 million from all the investors around the world. So this is actually a very, very huge amount, and people really look at this platform. It's a very good platform. Okay, for me, I have already invested in the 15 days one. Okay, I did a 1,000. You can see. Okay, subscribe date 15 days when I did. Okay, it was 4 days ago. Okay, so this token, after you stick for 1 hour, you will start showing. Okay, if you do $100, it will be 0 point something. Every hour there will be new profit increasing. You can see the profit all increasing. Okay, so I have already total is 24 USD. Okay, I already claimed before $13. So now I will just claim all this. Okay, the 10.9939 for you guys to see. Okay, okay, once I claim, go back to my wallet. Okay, It's instant. Okay, so we can see that the system is automatic. Don't need to wait for anyone to go and say, I need to process this, process that. We do not. We are a automated system. Okay, and if you want to see, okay, let's go to my another account. Okay, so this account, I will go to, we can go to here, manage, okay, manage, okay, and then you can see, okay, I have done a few direct referral, okay, so down here, I'll tell you, okay, your direct referral invest how much, his downline invested how much, all this we can see, okay, and if I want to go and check how much daily bonuses I can get, the 10% matching ROI, just click on the details. Once I click on details, okay, down here they will show you, okay, my downline, whenever he claim the bonus, I can have whatever amount I can claim down here. Okay, so all this that they claim, they must claim their profit. If they do not claim the profit, you will see down here is $0. Once they start claiming, then you will see. Okay, so if they accumulate after maybe 1 month, you will they get maybe 100 USDT, then I will be able to claim 10% of 100 USDT, which is 10 USDT. So this one must be clear about it. Once your member or your downline, they collect their interest, then we will get to see the bonuses that we can collect. Okay, and you click on the three line, go into manage. Okay, share, this is where you can share your link. So copy your link and send to your members who want to register. However, you must stick in your account before your members can register and buy. Okay, so this is the end of my presentation. So do you guys have any questions? You all can feel free to ask.
Okay. Very clear, very clear. So this is basically the standard presentation, right?
Yes.
Right, good. Okay.
If they want to, okay, one thing I forgot, if they want to see the live trade, right? Live trading will start next month onwards. Every week we will have one session of live trading. So it's about 15 minutes. You guys can go in, okay? But if you are like on that day, the timing is missed, then you have to wait for the following week, okay? So every week we will have one time of live trading. Our technical team will open their account to show you, okay, inside how much funds we have, how we link the API to all the different exchanges, and how we allocate all the funds.
Right. Good. Okay, that one is upcoming function.
Upcoming, yes.
All right. Okay. So the ranking will drop as long as the conditions are
Not met. Yes, correct. You are correct.
Okay, and again, the direct referral is actually 10% or 20%.
10%. Okay. When you do not have a ranking, it's 10%. When you hit rank 1 and rank 2, then it becomes 20%.
Oh, okay. I see. So when everyone start, then it's 10%.
Yes. Then after that, when you hit your first rank, become 20%.
10% of their ROI, right?
Yes, correct. Direct referral. If let's say I invite B invited C, C ROI doesn't have
not included.
Yeah, it's not included. It's only B's ROI.
Okay. And then just can you go back to that page? The one page.
Can wait. I find first.
And the matching ROI is also with overriding, right?
Overriding, yes. So okay, this is to be clear, this is, you see the level 3 down here. They write 10% of subordinate, right? It's not 10%. This is 5%. This is
Yeah.
Okay. So for example, let's say today we're talking about, let's look at SM. Today I am SM. Okay. Then Raymond, you are director. You are my downline, but you are director. So you have already override me, right? Because I cannot get any more matching ROI from community. Because
Right.
you override me. However, whatever you earn, I still can get 5% of you because I'm SM. SM is 5% of the subordinate bonus.
Mm. But that one is also needs to be direct, right?
Yes.
If I'm not your direct, then you don't have anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay, good.
Mm.
And all right, 66 minus 50. Okay, I think that's all.
Yeah, that's all.
The
Will you be
the yes, I'll be in KL.
okay? On the 29th, I'll be going to KL. Okay, so we can also meet up in the office because
Sure.
there will be Indonesia team going over. So we also can meet up there lah.
Great. Or
Yeah.
you can speak Malay also.
No. I speak. Malay, I only faham sikit-sikit.
Uh,
But
I
I in
thought
Thailand now, okay, because I present in Thai lah, so I can speak Thai, English and Chinese law. So now I'm in Thailand, helping company opening the market law. Then 29 will be going back to KL first, so we can meet up lah.
right.
Mm,
Robin.
yeah,
Are you Robin that I know?
I don't think so.
Yeah. Because my friend Robin also stay in, but she's staying in Thailand. Not, you are from Singapore, right?
Yeah, I'm from Singapore.
Right.
Yeah.
So maybe you can meet my Robin friend
Can
in
also no
Thailand.
problem. Uh,
Until 29, you'll be there.
yeah. Be in Mecca until 29. 29 will fly over to KL, stay maybe about 5 6 days lah. Then after that, we will see what market I will go again.
Right.
Mm.
Tom is our new
Tom
consultant.
is he has his own team. He also want to learn how to talk about how to present about our company lah. Because he has his own line in Japan.
Right.
Hi,
Good.
hi, hi. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. My name's Tom. I was having I have a market in Tokyo and Kyoto, and also at the Fukada.
Wow,
Expanding
nice.
there. I'm expanding there. Yes. Hi.
Yeah. So both of you are Malaysian lah. So both of you are in KL right now. But I don't know, Tom, will you be in KL when I reach there on the 29th?
Hopefully.
Okay. If you are there, we
Hopefully.
will meet up lah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
It's my pleasure.
Can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's my pleasure. Yeah. Mhm.
So actually, this platform, one thing good is what they don't do the notes because nowadays, you see a lot of platform they will collect note, then they will do an event. Actually, the money comes from who? All the investors they pay for the event themselves lah. Because they usually do note collection, 50% go to the whatever LP, then 50% they say do for using the market all this. So
But Robin, because what I concerned, because I have been discussed with Manson that because the Japanese market they are more mature and which they are actually looking forward you to have the live trade, which is something which is foreign that only would
yes,
would
I
dare to
understand
go.
Japan market. They want to check everything.
Yes, they're very
Yes.
detailed, and then they don't
Yes.
want, they are very like study as a financial project to invest.
Yes.
So we have nothing.
No.
It's hard to
We
give,
have, like I said, next month onwards, every week there will be a live trade to show. So they just go in and study themselves. Okay, and also we will do daily trade reports and give them the report like how much we trade, how much we earn. All this report will be sent starting from next month because now we are just make sure the system everything is smooth. Okay, next month onwards our tech team will do the live trade every week.
Definitely, yes,
Yeah.
it's awesome. Yeah,
Yeah.
I wish you. I wish you good luck. I wish myself good luck as well.
Yes.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
one is
yeah,
actually
yeah.
a very, very good platform lah. So we can just go and
Awesome.
they want to see
Yeah,
whatever we can see lor. So
I'm
just
looking forward to. Yeah, I'm looking
yeah.
forward to promote it to my Japanese. Actually, they are all my relatives lah. Actually,
I
They
see.
all my like uncle and whatever, and then very 麻烦 one them because last project I understand it's
I
really
understand.
like blood related people, so
Yeah, because I last time I do the Japan market also the same. They very detailed and they will check this, check that, check, and keep asking and asking until they are 100% confirmed. Then they will start to invest. If not, they will not.
yeah.
I
They,
understand.
they get used to they don't trust people.
Yeah, they don't trust
But
people.
they once they trust, they really fully trust lah.
Yes. Even the banks, they also don't trust. That's why they don't like to put money in their banks, ma.
Yeah, right. Because
Yeah.
they cannot buy and sell USDT in Japan. That's one of the big problem.
Yes.
We
Right.
need to have a very good I mean like a platform channel or what. But I got someone there lah, but they charge quite high. But anyway, we discussed it when we met up, all right?
Can.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Have a nice day.
So anything, just contact on Telegram. Okay, guys.
Yeah, Robin, I would like to have a copy of your this Zoom meeting because I was missed it because I was in a meeting just now. I just joined at halfway.
Sure. I will send you.
I can share that. All right.
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah,
guys.
thank
See you.
See ya. Bye bye.
All right. Thank you, Robin. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye bye.